Have you ever wondered why some people seem to navigate life's challenges with ease, radiating energy and success, while others feel stuck in a cycle of negativity? The secret often lies in one simple yet profound concept: the power of positive thinking. In today's video, we're diving deep into the transformative power of positive thinking, how it can reshape your mindset, supercharge your goals, and improve every aspect of your life. If you've ever felt like negativity has been holding you back, or you're curious about how a shift in perspective could lead to a brighter future, you're in the right place. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have practical tools to harness positivity and make it your superpower. What is positive thinking? Positive thinking isn't about ignoring reality or pretending everything is perfect. It's about approaching life's challenges with a constructive mindset, focusing on solutions rather than problems, and believing that you have the power to influence your own outcomes. Research in psychology has shown that positive thinking can lead to better mental health, stronger relationships, and even physical well-being. But how does this work? Positive thinking influences the brain to release neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which boost mood and energy. It shifts your focus from what could go wrong to what could go right, encouraging you to take action instead of freezing in fear or self-doubt. Why does positive thinking matter? Think about this. Our thoughts shape our reality. If you're constantly telling yourself that you're not good enough, not capable, or that the worst will happen, you're setting the stage for those fears to materialize. On the other hand, when you choose to believe in possibilities, your actions align with your optimism, and you create opportunities instead of barriers. Numerous studies have linked a positive mindset to real-world success. For example, people with an optimistic outlook are more likely to achieve their goals, recover faster from setbacks, and even live longer. A groundbreaking study by Harvard found that optimistic individuals had a 15% lower risk of premature death compared to their pessimistic counterparts. That's the power of positivity at work. How to cultivate positive thinking. Now let's get practical. Here are some actionable steps you can take to develop a habit of positive thinking. Practice gratitude. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a sense of abundance. Challenge negative thoughts. When a negative thought creeps in, question its validity. Ask yourself, is this really true? Replace it with a more constructive perspective. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your mindset. Spend time with uplifting people, consume inspiring content, and create a space that energizes you. Visualize success. Visualization isn't just daydreaming. Athletes use it to mentally rehearse winning moments, and you can too. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and feel the emotions tied to that success. Adopt affirmations. Positive affirmations help rewire your subconscious mind. Statements like, "I am capable of achieving great things," or "I choose happiness," can be incredibly empowering when repeated consistently. Overcoming challenges to positive thinking. Let's be real. Staying positive isn't always easy. Life throws curveballs, and negativity can sometimes feel overwhelming. But remember, positivity is a skill that gets stronger with practice. Here are some tips to bounce back when negativity strikes. Pause and breathe. In moments of stress, take a few deep breaths. This calms your nervous system and helps you regain perspective. Learn from setbacks. Instead of dwelling on failures, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Every setback is an opportunity for growth. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge even the tiniest achievements. Success builds momentum, and every step forward counts. The ripple effect of positivity. Here's the best part. Positive thinking doesn't just impact you, it impacts everyone around you. Your energy is contagious. When you approach life with optimism, you inspire others to do the same. Imagine being the kind of person who lights up a room, uplifts friends and family, and creates a ripple effect of positivity that spreads far and wide. That's the legacy of a positive thinker. And there you have it, the power of positive thinking and how it can transform your life from the inside out. Remember, positivity isn't about denying life's challenges, but facing them with courage, resilience, and hope. So what's one positive thought you're taking with you today? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content designed to inspire and empower you. Let's spread this message of positivity far and wide, because the world needs it now more than ever. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep shining and keep believing in the power of positive thinking. You've got this.